So we've decided to do something stupid again.
Yeah.
I feel like this is repetitive. That we keep doing stupid crap.
Oh, there you can see the hot Cheetos.
Okay, so if you can't see these, well, we decided to do the Hot Cheetos and Takis challenge. Get me those.
I bought those.
Anyway, so we kind of made a small mistake. We already opened the bag and poured them in the bowl.
Yeah.
But
Oh well.
yeah. So how it's gonna work is we're gonna try to eat
The whole bowl.
in under 15 minutes. And as you can see here, I got soda for both of us because no one's stupid enough to do this challenge without something to drink. At least I'm not. There you go.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
I don't really like Takis, but
I don't really like hot Cheetos. Okay, you eat those and I'll like the Takis. Oh, maybe that'll work.
but I want to try the Takis though because I may like this flavor because I think it was, don't remember. I think it was the mildest one, and I didn't really like it.
Okay. So, should we start the time, Stephanie? And go. Mmm.
Hot Cheetos are better.
I like the Takis now. Yeah, there's no way we can finish this. Mmm.
I think this is gonna be a fail.
There are a lot of bubbles in the soda.
It's 10 calories. It doesn't taste like it's 10 calories.
know what's interesting? This is like the first video I've ever done where I've actually burped more than once. I don't feel so good. I can't eat like food like this. This hurts. Whew. No, didn't know how much time was left.
No.
Would you mind checking?
I can't. My finger that I need is dirty.
Hot Cheeto.
Does it really matter if you get a hot Cheeto or not?
I hate hot Cheetos so bad.
Well, I guess it's more for me then.
Cool. Well, we must be getting close. I mean, the video already says 13 minutes.
It must be. Oh, that was hot. What?
My tongue is going back to normal. Nope, nope, still burns. So, how's it going there, Stephanie?
Good?
Oh, good!
Oh!
So, how much time we got left? Or will the thing go off?
Probably a minute or so.
Interesting.
And we're done, and I'm not, but
Thank you, God.
I ate most of it.